Ambition without action is like a seed without water. Everyone has dreams, but only those who act turn them into reality. This is the story of John, a young man full of ambition, but trapped in laziness until life taught him a lesson he would never forget. John was a 25-year-old young man. Before his grandfather passed away, he gifted John a small piece of land. Everyone in the village knew that land was in a commercial area, a place where anything built would surely succeed. John often told his friends, "One day I will open my own restaurant on that land. People will come from far away to eat here, and I will make my grandfather's dream come true." It sounded beautiful, but there was a problem. John only talked. He dreamed all day, made big plans, but never took real action. He slept late in the mornings, and evenings were wasted with friends in games and gatherings. John's uncle, who already owned a successful restaurant in the city, often advised him, "John, dreams don't come true just by talking. You have land, you have time, but you don't have hard work. Without effort, your dream will always remain a dream." But John would always smile and reply, "Uncle, don't worry. I'll start tomorrow." Yet, that tomorrow never came. One day, his uncle decided to teach him a lesson. He took John to his restaurant. The place was full of happy customers, waiters running around, the kitchen full of fire and energy, and every corner filled with the smell of hard work. Uncle sat him down and said, "This didn't happen overnight. I worked for years. I faced failures, losses, and sleepless nights in the kitchen. This restaurant is a symbol of my hard work. And you have land, but you are lazy. If you stay like this, your land will remain empty, and your dream will die." These words hit John's heart. That night, he couldn't sleep. He remembered his grandfather's face and said to himself, "If I don't act today, both my grandfather's gift and my dream will be lost." The next morning, before sunrise, John made a decision. He started cleaning the land. His hands got hurt. His clothes were covered in dust. But he didn't stop. Soon, he opened a small food stall. At first, only a few customers came. People mocked him. Friends laughed. But John didn't give up. Slowly, more customers came. He learned recipes from his uncle, improved the food, and worked day and night. After a few years, that small stall turned into a beautiful restaurant, right on the land his grandfather had given him. The restaurant John once dreamed about was now a reality. Today, when his restaurant is full of people, John silently prays in his heart, "Thank you, Grandpa. Thank you, Uncle. And thank you, my hard work." Moral of the story: dreams only come true when you build them with bricks of hard work. Laziness destroys everything, but patience, sacrifice, and consistency can make you more successful than you ever imagined. So, if you're ambitious but lazy, remember John's story. Stop waiting for tomorrow. Start today, because tomorrow never comes. But success does, and for those who take action. If this story touched your heart, like, share, and subscribe to 100 Tales for more inspiring stories. Thank you.